Okay, let's talk about number 4 now. We got to identify the graph of the rational function, find any vertical and horizontal asymptotes. The graph is on the next page, so we'll get to that in a moment. Let's do the vertical and horizontal asymptotes first. If you don't know how to do the vertical and horizontal asymptotes, take a look at my video for problems number 2 and number 3. We're going to go through the vertical and horizontal asymptotes quickly here. Vertical asymptotes, again, we're looking at denominator is equal to 0. X plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, x equals negative 1. Okay, that's my vertical asymptote. Okay, to find my horizontal asymptote, again, I'm looking at degrees of each of the numerator and the denominator. Right here, that's 1. This one is 1. They're equal to each other. So I'm looking at the leading coefficients. They're both 1 also in this problem. So my horizontal asymptote will be y equals, positive 1 over 1. So y equals 1. So right here, I know my vertical asymptote is x equals negative 1 and y equals positive 1. So let's go ahead and let's look at these graphs. Okay, again, I'm looking for x equals negative 1, y equals 1. Okay, just looking at the answer choices, we can see that answer choice C would be incorrect because those are not the correct asymptotes. And answer choice D would be incorrect. Those are the wrong asymptotes. Okay, so we have A and B now. A and B. Now, how do I know which one it is? The best thing I can do is let's just go ahead and pick one of the points from the original equation. Again, the original equation, let me take a look, was x plus 2 over x plus 1. So again, I have this equation. So let's go ahead and see what would happen if x was 0. Let's solve for y. So if x was 0, we would put 0 in for x everywhere. Y would be 2 over 1, which would be 2. So that means in addition to the point of the asymptotes that we have, we know that if x is 0, then y is 2. That means I should have that point on my graph. Well, let's look at that. Choice B, if x is 0, then y is negative 2. So we know this is incorrect now. Therefore, if I look at this graph, if x is 0, y is 2. My answer is A.